Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got this privacy screen detector for my what is this? It's called a MacBook Air. So MacBook Air 13. So that's what this one is for. So let's give this thing a look-see. It says for MacBook Air 13.6, 360-degree anti-peeping. So let's check this out. See what this does. So let's open this up. So it comes in this nice little folder kind of thing too. Actually, it's kind of nice. I might save that for some of my papers. Okay. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell too much, but I'm just going to show you guys it here. So here you can see through it and see me. And then if we kind of go to the side or something like that, you can't. But I'll show you by holding it up to my laptop here. So right now you can see it from all the angles and everything. And then when I put this on top of it, okay, you can see it from head on. But then somebody next to me, there, they can't see it. But then if I move the screen away, you can totally see it. You see? So that's what it's going to do, is make it so you can't see it. And I guess it's got a magnet on it. It just magnetized on by itself. That's pretty cool. It just did whatever it needed to do. I didn't even have to install it. But it does have a little peel screen here. It's got, what does it say? It says, please peel off mask before application. Oh, it's this little area here, I guess. So I will peel off that mask. But then it looks like it just, I don't know how it did it. It just held right on. How funny. I guess it's just a magnet that holds it on. Oops, I'm gonna just peel off the mask here. Does it have one on the top too? No, just on the bottom. Okay, now let's just put it back on there again. I probably need to clean my screen, but I guess this thing just comes off and goes on. But there we go. So there you can't see, can't see. And there you can kind of see it from there. But then if we took off the screen, this is so cool. Can't even get it, can't grab it. Okay, there we go. And then if we take off the screen, you can totally see it all the way around. So this will be great. So if I'm going to anywhere where I'm working in a co-working place or someplace like that, I can just kind of have it with me, or Starbucks or something. If I don't want people to see what I'm doing, I can just kind of keep that on there and use that. That's really cool. And let me see if I can close it. Oh yeah, totally closes fine. Doesn't take up any space. So totally nice little anti-privacy screen. So if you need one of these, get this one here. Totally works. Super easy to do. It just kind of sticks right on. So totally cool. Yeah, very nice. Thumbs up for sure.